The best blenders for 2020. The best Blendtec Designer Series. Why we picked it? Sure, there are fancier blenders out there, but few people want or need to spend their entire paycheck on a glorified smoothie machine. Thankfully, Blendtec's Designer Series offers a glut of awesome features and add-ons. The Designer's custom, carbon steel bearings keep the motor running quietly and efficiently, reducing wear and tear, so you won't have to get a replacement anytime soon. Cold-forged stainless steel blades with vertical wingtips whip around at dizzying speed, and the digital display features a timer to tell you exactly how long your blend will take. Blendtec's unique wild-side jar prevents thicker blends from getting clumped up at the bottom, while capacitive, ultra-responsive touch controls allow you to adjust speeds on the fly with a mere touch of your finger. The Designer, this version, anyway, is also fairly compact, so it should fit underneath most wall-mounted cabinets, even with the jar attached. It even comes with a handy-dandy cookbook. The best quiet blender. Breville Super Q Blender. Why we picked it? Breville is known for its sleek, high-tech products, and the Super Q Blender is no exception. It sports an attractive exterior, a 1,800-watt motor, and a blade that can reach 186 miles per hour without breaking a sweat. Somehow, it can do that while still being one of the quietest blenders on our list. This blender has commercial features fit for home use. The extra easy controls include 12 speed settings and texture controls for creating various concoctions, and several one-touch programs for smoothies, soups, crushing ice, and other common tasks. If you opt for the vacuum pump accessory, it will make your drink creations with better textures, brighter colors, and fresher flavor profiles. We also found the blender and parts easy to clean. The kit that comes with the Breville Q is also ideal for all kinds of personal uses. There is a personal mug that you can use as a blender cup to mix in favorite ingredients for a quick smoothie, plus a variety of tamping and cleaning tools, and an intelligent base that is smart enough to know what receptacle you're using and adjust accordingly. The best budget blender. Ninja Master Prep Professional. Why we picked it? Ninja's Master Prep Professional is cool, compact, and cost-conscious, great for college students or those who just don't want to splurge on a blender. The 450-watt power pod holds up to 48 ounces of material, and the 40-ounce food processing bowl is perfect for dicing veggies or making chunky dips and sauces. There's also a 16-ounce chopping bowl for salads. Convenient storage lids snap onto the Master Prep's chambers for safe refrigeration, and all the containers are both BPA-free and dishwasher safe. This isn't a heavy-duty blender, so don't buy it expecting to puree root vegetables or blend for several minutes on end, but it's an excellent value for those that just want the occasional milkshake or hummus spread. The best high-end blender. Vitamix Professional 750. Why we picked it? Unfortunately, top-of-the-line appliances often command a top-of-the-line price. Vitamix is one of the world's most respected blender manufacturers, and the Professional 750 is just about the best of the best. The 64-ounce jar is big enough to hold several smoothies worth of ingredients at once, and the blender has several pre-programmed settings for different purposes, all of which can be adjusted for speed. Sound dampening technology also ensures that the 750 won't blow your eardrums out during use, and the self-cleaning feature is a godsend. Simply drop in some water and dish soap, run the sucker for a minute, and it will be ready for whatever comes next. The 750 even includes a 7-year warranty, but it's unlikely you'll need it given the device's durability. The best personal blender. Bullet NutriBullet. Why we picked it? Maybe you don't want to sacrifice counter space for your new blender? Maybe you don't need to make complex recipes for multiple people? Maybe you just want a capable blender that can whip up a smoothie in a couple of seconds before you walk out the door in the morning? The NutriBullet by Bullet is a hassle-free contraption that can satisfy your basic blending needs. The NutriBullet certainly isn't the most powerful blender on our list, but with its 600-watt motor and blade design, this compact device is capable of making hummus, creams, juices, and sauces alongside your typical fruit smoothie. The blender also comes with a couple of extra cups, so you can take your drinks to go. The most versatile blender. Ninja Mega Kitchen System. Why we picked it? Don't want to choose between a blender and a food processor? Look no further than Ninja's Mega Kitchen System, which includes a massive 72-ounce pitcher, a food processor bowl, and two 16-ounce blend cups, which all fit onto the 1500-watt blend base. Whether you're looking to chop vegetables, make salad dressing, or pulverize ingredients for soup purees, the Ninja can do it in a matter of seconds. With more than 2 horsepower resting in its mechanized loins, it can be loud, but you'll forget all about the tinnitus when you're sipping on a blended marg with salt on the rim. The individual blend cups mean it's easy to clean, but if you have a big party to feed, the pitcher is large enough to handle that. Plus, it can even make cookie dough.